Hey everybody, I wanted to show you how I do a few of my loose beach waves. What I've done first is I've kind of sectioned it off. I've done a few at the bottom just so this video wouldn't be so long. I've also sprayed my heat spray. I always got to do that first. So I sectioned that, just kind of went around, did a few, and I just kind of take it in sections. So pull a little bit here and pull a little bit down on this side. Kind of go with the next ones here. And I always kind of, you can curl some, each way so they're not all the same, but I always try to make sure I'm doing them where they're not, go away from your face with them. Don't keep them towards your face. And that, I think, is the key to this. And you just kind of get comfortable with it, see how you want to angle it. Just kind of hold it in place for a second and then just kind of let it run through there. It doesn't have to stay in your hair very long. There we go. And you can pull them out, leave them however way you want to do it. Pull out a larger section on this side, so just keep separating it. Kind of see if you can see back here a little bit. Sometimes you kind of have to hold the end of it if you need to. If it gets too wide, it's not going to all go through there. I think that one's going to, yep, it did. And my hair is kind of in between colors right now, so don't judge me too hard on it. I kind of did whoops, coming out the top. I did some color remover on it to take my purple out for a little while. Haven't decided quite yet what we're going to do here with this, so this one may be too thick, so we're going to, there we go. Like I said, you just kind of keep moving it away from your face. There we go. Once you get the hang of it, it doesn't take as long. I think guess I missed that piece. As you can see, sometimes it's a work in progress. And of course, it's not supposed to look perfect looking, so this will kind of give it that beachy, not really messy look. Some people use sea salt spray to spray on them afterwards. I usually don't need to, but that's definitely something you can do. I'm going to pull this back part out. Some people do this without sectioning it. I find it easier just to have it sectioned off. As you can see, the pieces can kind of get stuck together, so it makes it a lot easier for me, and especially if you're just beginning with it, it makes it a lot easier to have more control. And I like to leave my ends where they're not really curled up. That's why you kind of see that where they look a little straight. I think that gives it a more natural, beachy feel. That's why I'm not really worried about if they're too curly, if they have that look to them. I'm gonna try to do this one all at one time. Yeah, there we go. I have to learn how to angle your arms and fingers here, but once you get the hang of it, it's not too bad. Give it a little arm workout here. There we go, that one's not too curly, but I think it'll be all right. Try to do this whole section here. Okay, here we go. Now what I do is I just take I have the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny, but whatever you like to use, and I just rub a little bit on here, kind of help with the flyaways. Like I said, some people use the sea salt spray. I just personally like to use it. Kind of helps. I usually have some flyaways and frizziness going on, so I just kind of use that. You can fluff them out, like I said, pull them apart some if you want to, however you want to do it. See if I can get the back, show you the back a little bit, because I really don't know what it looks like right now. So but that's it. If you have any questions, just let me know. Bye-bye.